efficient markets' topmost requirement is a strong and a stable government at the helm. That's the word coming in from the FM Nirmala Sitharaman at the BSE event. FM Sitharaman also lauded the performance of stock markets and how housing savings are making a shift towards equity markets. She also put in a word of caution on the reckless retail trading in the F&O space. Let's go across and listen in to what she had to say.
Stability of government is the first criteria for markets to be efficient. Stability of government, stability of policy, particularly of taxation policy, and predictability in which everything comes in terms of when it is getting introduced, when it is getting executed, and above all, a soft touch regulatory framework. Prime Minister Modi's third term, one more very good, stable, high governance, good governance, more governance, less government is what we are looking forward to, and we are confident that Prime Minister Modi will be forming his third term where India will become the third largest economy. India's financial markets have far exceeded everybody's expectations in the recent past. And therefore, all appreciations to you all for having performed, and performed with distinction at a time when global markets are all fluctuating. There's so much volatility. There's somewhat a fear of uncertainty setting in most of the markets. Indian stock markets have performed very well, attracting both foreign and domestic investors. Most investors who come to visit India today are recceing to see where their money can be placed or parked.
Well, my colleague Ankur Mishra is joining in now with more details on that. Let's go across and listen in.
Yes, important comments on stock market coming from Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on a question which was asked by ET Now. First of all, she gave a caveat that stock markets conduct on its own wisdom and direction. However, she mentions that there is absolutely no need to worry about the outcome of the election. She has also mentioned that financial market depend on stability and also do not want any kind of instability. Therefore, she says that absolutely there is no doubt that PM Modi is coming back in power, and therefore the volatility index, which is known as VIX, need not to fluctuate. You would have seen the volatility which has been there in the market in past few weeks, and now Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman giving an important comment on the volatility of the stock market. About the divestment plans, she has clarified that there is no shifting on plan of divestment. Remember, there were announcements regarding IDBI Bank. There were also announcements regarding privatization of two public sector banks. However, the speed at which government is moving, there were few questions which was asked whether or not there is a change in the divestment plan. On that question, she has said that divestment decisions are approved by cabinet. Therefore, there is no going back on those decisions. However, she wants to ensure that in the process, the value is not lost from these institutions, and hence that focus will continue.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.